Biplanes, the Talon Eagle. Over 30 years ago, a project was started by Kristen Industries in Hollister, California. The Eagle aerobatic team was faster roll rate, better snap roll and roll capabilities. Well, they came up with the Talon Eagle. From its 360 horsepower Penny-Ann engine to its air-grabbing anti-propeller to the awesome BBG Aerospace HS top coat paint, the Talon represents innovative thinking and technological advances, giving you the ultimate in air show capability. And on space, and right. Watch as they start to head up, rolling the aircraft around. Bunting over the top, going into a big cubic reversal as they start to dive down towards each other once again. Smoke comes on, you can hear the calls as they start coming towards each other.